Hello everyone, thought I'd just quickly show you what I use when potting up my plants to make my own mix. Today I've got a yellow jab, a Z4 jab and a Eugenia and Garcinia. Now the Garcinia is probably the only one that has to be potted up at that size, the others don't need to, but I'm taking them off the heat mat where they were germinated outside, so bigger pot just gives me that bit more leeway because those little tube stocks dry out pretty quickly. Especially now, I think we're getting up into the 30s this week coming, so yeah. Anyway, start with cacti and succulent mix. Not a lot of organic matter in that, that's what I got. You can see it in here. A few bits of wooden stuff in there, but it's predominantly sand and a little bit of perlite. So yeah, it's a very sandy, free draining mix. So that's what I start with. Now, I use here, I can get this, it's pumice stone. Good aeration, porous stone. About a third of that to this potting mix. Sometimes a bit heavier, but then it dries out pretty quick. Perlite, there's already perlite in that potting mix, but hardly any. It's a finer one. I never really measure, I just go for it. Yeah. And kind of goes against not having organic matter in there, but a bit of peat moss for acidity. But I don't add a lot of that. I'll just add one handful into that, making a big handful. Could be negligible how much it changes the pH, but I just add a little bit. So yeah, so that's pretty much my mix. I do most of my potted up plants. If it's something that's not as fussy with drainage, I will use normal potting mix and just add the other stuff for drainage. But yeah, generally use the cacti and succulent mix. As you can see, here's my seedling lukes. Yeah, plenty of stones in there. Always seems to work well. It's actually pushing out new growth. All three spots there. Where's that one there? So yeah. Anyway, that's how I do my potted up plants.